is Carrie, and this one's quick and easy. This is a tack cleaning cloth, and it has the fine, soft microfiber on one side and these silicone dots on the other side, so it's easy to hold it. And then you can just smooth away the dust, the fingerprints. This is the case that it comes in, so if you want to carry it with you, it's real handy. You can use this on computer screens, you can use it on your phone, on your iPad. You know, these days it's funny, kids are so used to touching an iPad or touching a phone, they'll just swipe, and I don't know how many times your kids have walked up to the television and just put their little paws on it because why shouldn't I operate it that way? Well, this will solve all your worries. Safe for the television, safe for your screens, super easy. I'm Carrie, your independent Norwex sales consultant. This is the tack cleaning cloth. Let me know if you're interested.